Hello students, welcome back to my channel Commerce Tube, your flight to success. And yes students, as you can see on the screen, today we are going to solve question number 3, that is give economic terms of the subject economics, sub 12th commerce obviously. Question bank session 2021 provided by the Maharashtra State Board. ठीक है. Before going ahead students, new people to my channel, kindly like, subscribe and share so the video is useful to everybody who is doing revision right now. Okay, so इसी अच्छे thought के साथ चलिए शुरू करते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, that is give economic terms. सबसे पहले है कि ब्रांच ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स दैट डील्स विथ स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ नेशनल इकोनॉमी. हमने बहुत बार ये डिस्कस किया भी है. जो डील करता है स्मॉल पार्ट ऑफ नेशनल इकोनॉमी, इट इज नथिंग बट इट इज माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. यस, यू हर्ड इट राइट चिल्ड्रन. द करेक्ट आंसर इज माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. सेकेंड, एवरेज ऑफ ऑल प्राइसेस ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज करंटली बीइंग प्रोड्यूस्ड इन एन इकोनॉमी, उसको हम जनरल प्राइस लेवल कहते हैं. इट इज एन एवरेज ऑफ ऑल द प्राइसेस ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज करंटली जो प्रोड्यूस होते हैं इकोनॉमी में, उसे हम जनरल प्राइस लेवल कहते हैं. ठीक है. Third is utility that arises when ownership of goods is transferred from one person to another. Definitely वो जो utility जो arise होती है जब ownership हम transfer करते हैं एक बंदे से दूसरे बंदे तक, उसको हम possession utility कहते हैं. ठीक है. The correct answer is possession utility. Fourth is aggregate of utility derived by the consumer from all units of a commodity consumed. Read it clearly and carefully students. Aggregate, total of utility derived by the consumer from all units of a commodity consumed, it is total utility. ठीक है. Then total demand for a commodity from all the consumers at a given price during a given period of time is called as market demand. ओके, तो ये टोटल डिमांड है फॉर अ कमोडिटी फ्रॉम ऑल द कंज्यूमर्स एट अ गिवन प्राइस एंड ड्यूरिंग अ गिवन पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, उसको हम मार्केट डिमांड कहते हैं. देन सिक्स्थ इज डिमांड फॉर अ कमोडिटी विच कैन बी पुट टू सेवरल यूजेस, दैट इज कंपोजिट डिमांड. ठीक है. जो डिफरेंट यूजेस को यूजेस के लिए डाल सकते हैं उसको हम कंपोजिट डिमांड कहते हैं. Seventh is degree of responsiveness of a change in the quantity demanded to a change in the income of the consumer, that is called as income elasticity of demand. Yes, you heard it right students, it is nothing but income elasticity of demand. Seventh point की तरफ चलते हैं quickly. Infinite change in the quantity demanded of a commodity taking place due to slight or zero change in the price. I'll read the question again. Infinite change जहाँ होता है in the quantity demanded of a commodity taking place due to slight or zero change in the price is called as perfectly elastic demand. ठीक है. Ninth is rise in the quantity supplied of a commodity due to rise in its price, other factors remaining constant, it is expansion of supply. Okay. 10th is net addition made to the total cost by producing one more unit of output, it is marginal cost. यहाँ पर one more unit of output की बात हो रही है students. Okay, it is a net addition made, so it is nothing but marginal cost. Then 11th one, type of market showing some but not all the features of competitive market, it is imperfect competition आप बोल सकते हो या market बोल सकते हो. ठीक है. 12th, number of firms producing differentiated products which are closely related, that is called as group or monopolistic competition. ठीक है. Then index numbers that measure changes in the level of output or physical volume of production in the economy, it is called as quantity, one minute, yeah, quantity index number. Then 15th one की तरफ चलते हैं. Device that measures changes in an economic variable or a group of variables over a period of time, it is nothing but index number. Okay. 15th की तरफ चलते हैं अब क्विकली. net market value of all final goods and services produced within the territorial boundaries of a country during a period of 1 year. It is called as net domestic product. Yes, you heard it right, students. It is NDP. Okay, that is net domestic product. 16th है wear and tear of capital assets due to their use in the process of production. ये हमने accounts में भी पढ़ा है ना. It is called as depreciation. Correct answer is depreciation. Then 17th आता है tax paid at the time of production or sale and purchase of a commodity or service, उसको हम indirect tax कहते हैं. The correct answer is indirect tax. Then 18th one, policy that deals with public expenditure, public revenue and public debt is fiscal policy, children. Yes, you heard it right. The correct answer is fiscal policy. Then comes your 19th one, deposits that are repayable after a certain period of time. Definitely वो time deposits ही कहलाते हैं. It is paid या repayable, I mean to say, after a certain period of time. Then we'll go to 20th, children. Policy that aims at managing the quantity of money in order to meet the requirements of different sectors of the economy and to increase the pace of economic growth. It is called as monetary policy. Okay, what it is called? It's nothing but monetary policy. Then 21st है purchase of goods and services by one country from another country. Purchase कर रहे हैं ना from one country. क्या purchase कर रहे हैं? Goods and services by one country from another country. It is nothing but import trade. ठीक है. Last one, that is the 22nd one. Systematic record of all the international economic transactions of a country during a given period, usually a year. It is nothing but balance of payments. Yes, you heard it right. It's called as balance of payments, and this is it. 22nd है ये altogether give economic term वाला question. So I hope this video will definitely help you to revise and get yourself prepared for the exams and score perfect marks. ठीक है. So that's it, children, in this video. In the next video definitely will come with more question answer sessions provided by the Maharashtra State Board. Till then, take care, keep studying, keep revising, children. Thank you so much.